Well, hi there. This is going to be a review of my program Acid Base Arcade for Windows 10. Continue. Okay. You can play a number of games here. Terminology, acids game, bases game, salts game, anhydrides game. And there's instructions on how to play. You can also study the theories, acid-base theories, and study the terms. That's it's not a game, but it's in a game format. Okay, let's take a look at the first one here, terminology game. And you see the terms that bounce around on top. Down the bottom we have the definition, and you can use the minus and plus keys on the numeric keypad to speed up the tiles or to slow them down. If this is your first time playing, might be a good idea to slow them down to 0. Hit the minus key until they're just about not moving, and make sure that you stop so you can see most of the tiles. There we go. Then you use your arrow keys left and right in order to move the cannon back and forth, and use spacebar to shoot. So we're looking for POH right now, which is right here. See, shoot it, explodes, disappears, a new definition comes up, then you have to find that one and shoot that one. If you miss, you lose points. If the timer is annoying, you can hit the letter T, and that hides the timer. It doesn't turn it off, but it hides it. So I'm just going to do some random shooting here just to clear the screen. Okay, so far just doing this quickly. I have to do this so that we can see a report screen at the end. By the way, the order in which the terms come up the bottom is random, and you lose points for going off the screen. I'm not getting any points now because I'm at a 0 score. When you're done, you hit the button to go to the end, the quit button, and it takes you to a report screen. It shows you my score was 0 because I didn't have any speed, and the score is based on the speed, and the time is this I think is in tenths of a second, or hundredths of a second, so it gives you pretty close comparison if you're racing somebody else. Okay, we're going to replay this, and you notice the sound didn't come back on. I would have to exit the program and restart it. Let's take a look at the study screen. Since the game screens, by the way, here's the acids. Get the names of acids. You have to then find the formula that matches it. Then we have, you can just, if you don't want to use the mouse, you can just hit the letter that's next to these things. So this is the bases. This is the salts. This is anhydrides. Now, with the, that's some acids, sorry. Anhydrides is G. With the anhydrides, you have acid and base anhydrides. So you notice that this little cannon says acid on now, and if I hit a B, it says base. So potassium acetate is a basic anhydride, and so we find, and we get it. And then sodium hypochlorite. And if you're not sure, you can hit H. That'll reveal the answer. Of course, you have to decide whether it's an acid or a base anhydride. So let's say it's base. It is base. Okay. There we go. Ammonia. Ammonia is going to be a base also, and so on. And that's the way the game goes. Now when it's time to study, over here we have the different things you can study. Acid-base theory. Use your mouse to scroll up and down through the text. And you can also use your mouse to zoom in or to zoom out. You can even highlight all the text if you want to copy it, paste it into a Word or something, and print it out. Then that'll work. That should work also. Okay, so that's that. Study the terms down here. What you do is you click on the term. Let's say electrolyte. Definition pops up here. You read it. You click the definition. That goes away. And so on. And that's the way that the game is played. Back to the main menu up here. And that's it. So I hope you liked the game. Download it. Try it out. And hopefully it'll help you with your study of chemistry. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye for now.